Good morning, departure VisionJet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike. We're at 9,000. Alrighty, there's the field site. Boston approach, VisionJet 90 Delta Papa, will cancel IFR.
VisionJet 90 Delta Papa, roger, IFR cancellation is received. No traffic currently observed between you and Laconia Airport. You can change to advisory frequency approved.
Alright, we'll squawk VFR, change to advisory. Have a great day, 90 Delta Papa.
You too, good night.
Hello everybody, hope you're doing well and thank you so much for coming along in today's video. In today's video we are flying a beautiful Generation 2 VisionJet from Albany, New York into the Lakes region of New Hampshire, and more specifically the Laconia Municipal Airport. As we begin our descent into the Laconia Municipal Airport, we'll encounter a couple traffic calls as well as some other distracting radio traffic in the area. Come along with us as I perform a high performance approach into Laconia Municipal Airport, into a normal landing, and let me know what you think. Thank you so much for coming along in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new video content is posted. I can't thank you enough for your questions, comments, and feedback.
Laconia traffic, VisionJet 90 Delta Papa, we're descending at 6,400, currently about 12 miles to the west of the field. We're setting up for a left downwind for runway 26, full stop, Laconia. Alrighty. We'll go right down to 3,000. Alright, traffic to the right, about 4 miles out, 1,000 feet below.
Laconia traffic, this is Challenger 350 departing runway 26, runway heading straight out. Anybody else in the area, please advise.
Laconia traffic, VisionJet 90 Delta Papa, we're out of 5,200, currently about 8 miles to the west of the field. We'll get out of the departure center line for Laconia.
Hey, Laconia traffic, Skyhawk 3 Charlie Sierra is about 10 miles to the southwest, about 4,500 feet. We'll be incoming on the left 45 for the downwind of 26, Laconia.
Laconia traffic, Challenger 350, rolling runway 26, Laconia.
Traffic, Skyhawk 68 Echo, now 6 miles to the northeast of the field. We're going to be overflying between the left downwind, runway 28 for a full stop block.
Alrighty. Let's kick the other.
500 feet.
Cirrus traffic, Coplane 14 Lima is just to the northeast of Blueberry Pond, and we have one glider over the airport at about 4,500.
Okay, thank you, Dave. Which runway is in use in Sugar Bush?
We're still using 22, Fabio.
22, okay.
Laconia traffic, VisionJet 90 Delta Papa, entering a left downwind for runway 26 in Laconia.
Traffic, 11 o'clock, low, 3 miles. Traffic, 11 o'clock, low, 3 miles.
He is... See a Challenger?
Yeah.
There he is, right there.
Okay. Jeez.
There we go. Let's stay here for a bit.
Vertical track. Altitude.
Left base, runway 26 in Laconia.
Laconia traffic, Skyhawk 3 Charlie Sierra is about 5 miles to the southwest. We'll be entering on the left downwind, runway 26, Laconia.
Laconia traffic, just turning final, runway 26 on Laconia.
Think rate.
Football practice has begun.
500. Minimums.
That was pretty cool. That was good, Don.
Well, normally I go on the other side, but I thought I'd try that. Laconia traffic, VisionJet 90 Delta Papa, clearing runway 26 Echo.
Laconia traffic, Skyhawk 3 Charlie Sierra will be entering the left downwind for runway 26, Laconia.
Geez, I thought they were way closer to me than that.
I thought so too, because when he said 5 miles, we were at 5.3.
Laconia traffic, November 22 Whiskey X-ray, landing up for an 8-mile final, runway 26, Laconia traffic.
I appreciate you guys coming along on this video today. It was a great day of flying between Laconia, New Hampshire and Albany, New York. We're going to be back in New Hampshire. Thanks a lot for coming along in this video, and until next time, safe flying. We'll see you on the next flight.
This video is sponsored in part by SF50 Flight Support. Check out sf50flightsupport.com for more information. We make jet ownership better with comprehensive services for owners, pilots, and operators of SF50 Vision Jets. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new video content is posted. And I can't thank you enough for your questions, comments, and feedback. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.